Good afternoon, you're on ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to use screen recorder on Redmi. Watching alone, it's a breeze. Like and subscribe, let's dive in. Repeat after me this action. Find screen recorder, tap on it. Good. The first button is for recording video. The second is where the recorded videos will be stored. And the other button is the settings. This is the button to close the screen recorder. Good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to watch my other videos. Until next time, goodbye everyone.